everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you are having a great day. I am sure I am very excited because I will teach you how to use a breast pump for nursing mothers. I will also practice the basics for everyone to use anytime, anywhere. First, we turn on the machine, check the information, full data, start reading the instructions, and arrange the machine's applications with each part correctly. Then place the breast pump rim close to the breast. Adjust the speed to suit the milk flow evenly. Note that when the bottle is full, close it properly. You can use the milk for your baby as soon as you finish pumping, or you can store it in the refrigerator for no more than 24 hours to ensure the milk does not lose nutrients. One thing you need to do when you use it is to clean the machine, disinfect it, and leave it in a dry place for next use. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you want to see more of these tutorials, please like, follow, and subscribe for updates. Otherwise, we will see you next time in the next videos. Bye!